Seniors, top 3 foods to stop leg cramps and strengthen your legs naturally. Have you ever been jolted awake at night, your calf locked tight, pain shooting through your leg like a bolt of lightning? You're not alone. These nighttime leg cramps aren't just inconvenient, they're scary. And for many over 60, they're happening more and more often. These cramps aren't just a part of aging. They're a warning sign. A sign that your muscles are under stress, your circulation may be struggling, and your body is missing key nutrients. Left unchecked, they can rob you of sleep, weaken your legs, and make walking feel like a challenge you didn't sign up for. But here's the good news: you can fight back with food. In today's video, we're revealing 3 powerful foods every senior should be eating to prevent leg cramps, improve muscle strength, and restore energy to your legs. These aren't exotic supplements or hard-to-find remedies. These are simple, everyday foods most people walk past without realizing the healing power inside. One of them in particular may completely change the way you think about leg health. It works deep in the muscle tissue to calm cramping, boost circulation, and restore balance naturally. So if you're tired of waking up in pain, feeling weak in your legs, or losing confidence with every step, stick with me. These 3 foods can truly make a difference in how you move and feel. Before we begin, I want to hear from you. Where are you tuning in from? Drop it in the comments, and if you've ever experienced one of those painful nighttime cramps, type 1 so we know we're not alone. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another life-changing tip right here from Forever Health 247. Now let's take a look at the top 3 foods to stop leg cramps and get your strength back starting today. Number 1. Eggs, the muscle-saving breakfast hero. Imagine this. You're finally drifting off to sleep, body relaxed, mind at peace, when suddenly a jolt of pain locks your leg in place. You can't stretch it. You can't move. That cramp has total control. For many seniors, this is more than a rare annoyance. It's a nightly struggle, but few realize that something as humble as an egg could help end it. Eggs have been on breakfast tables for generations, but their power goes far beyond the plate. For seniors, eggs are like a natural medicine cabinet stacked with high-quality protein, vitamin D, B12, and choline. All of these work together to build muscle, support nerves, and reduce painful spasms. Let's start with protein. As we age, our muscles shrink in a process called sarcopenia. This leads to weakness, slower recovery, and yes, more cramps. Eggs offer one of the purest, most complete forms of protein. Just one egg contains all the essential amino acids needed to repair and rebuild your muscles. Then there's vitamin D, crucial for absorbing calcium, which muscles need to contract properly. But here's the issue. As we get older, our skin becomes less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight. This silent deficiency leaves muscles vulnerable. Eggs come to the rescue again. They're one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D. 2 eggs a day can help fill the gap and give your muscles what they need to function well. Now picture this. Before a cramp strikes, have you ever felt a strange tingling or numbness in your leg? That's your nervous system sounding the alarm, and it's often linked to low vitamin B12. This vitamin protects your nerve endings. Without it, the signals between your brain and muscles get scrambled, leading to sudden, painful contractions. Eggs provide a rich dose of B12, keeping your nerves calm and in control. And if that wasn't enough, they also contain choline, a lesser-known nutrient that strengthens nerve communication and prevents misfires that trigger spasms. For years, eggs were unfairly criticized for cholesterol. But research now shows that up to 6 or 7 eggs per week won't harm your heart and might actually help it. Their healthy fats support circulation, ease inflammation, and even benefit your brain. Here's a little story. One of our subscribers, a retired teacher named Susan, wrote in and said she started eating 2 eggs every morning with spinach and avocado. Within weeks, her nightly leg cramps all but disappeared. That simple habit gave her deeper sleep and more freedom during the day. So if you're aiming for stronger muscles, better nerves, and fewer cramps, start with eggs. They're affordable, easy to cook, and scientifically proven to support aging bodies. But this is only the beginning. The next food? It's the cramp fighter professional athletes never compete without, and it works just as well for seniors. Number 2. Bananas, the natural muscle relaxant for seniors. Picture this. You're walking through your living room, maybe heading to get a glass of water, when suddenly your calf seizes up like a vice. The pain is sharp, instant, and unforgiving. You freeze, gasping, hoping it'll pass quickly. This kind of cramp doesn't wait for bedtime. It can hit anytime. And for seniors, it often happens more frequently with age. But there's good news: bananas offer a simple, powerful solution. Ever notice how professional athletes eat bananas before games? It's not just for energy. They know that muscles need a steady flow of key minerals, especially potassium, to contract and relax properly. Without enough potassium, your muscles misfire. They contract suddenly, painfully, and don't let go. But potassium doesn't just relax muscles. It also helps your nerves send the right signals and keeps your blood flow steady. Without it, your body can't circulate nutrients effectively, and cramps become more common. Now here's something many don't realize. Low potassium levels can lead to a dangerous condition called hypokalemia, which causes severe muscle weakness, irregular heartbeats, and even paralysis. One of the earliest warning signs? Frequent, painful leg cramps. Just one banana a day can provide a solid boost of potassium to protect your muscles. But it doesn't stop there. Bananas are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps muscles relax. Potassium helps the muscle contract. Magnesium lets it release. Without both, muscles stay locked in tension. And guess what? Most seniors are magnesium deficient, especially if they're on certain medications like diuretics or blood pressure pills. That's why bananas rich in both potassium and magnesium are a natural 2-in-1 solution. To top it off, bananas contain vitamin B6, a vital nutrient for keeping nerves calm and muscles coordinated. A lack of B6 can cause sudden twitching and spasms from the smallest movement. Let me give you a real-world tip. One of our viewers, Tom from Florida, said he started eating half a banana with a spoonful of peanut butter before bed. Not only did it stop his nightly leg cramps, but it also helped him fall asleep faster. The healthy fat balanced his blood sugar, and the minerals did the rest. Now, if you're diabetic, you might be wondering, can I still eat bananas? Absolutely. Just pair it with a protein or fat like yogurt, eggs, or a few nuts to prevent blood sugar spikes. And here's the final reminder. Even if you're eating bananas daily, hydration is still key. Your muscles need water to transport these minerals effectively. If you're dehydrated, cramps will keep coming back no matter what you eat. So remember, one banana a day, a glass of water, and a little protein pairing can be the perfect nightly ritual to say goodbye to those stabbing leg pains. But there's one more cramp-fighting food you probably have in your pantry, and it might be the most powerful of them all. Number 3. Nuts and seeds, the muscle recovery secret seniors often miss. Imagine waking up in the early hours of the morning, your leg completely stiff, muscles clenched, pain coursing through you like a current. You try to stretch, but nothing helps. You're stuck, waiting for the cramp to pass, exhausted and frustrated. What if the solution to these nighttime struggles was something as small as a handful of nuts or seeds? These tiny foods are far more than snacks. They're concentrated bundles of healing, rich in the very nutrients your muscles crave to function smoothly and recover fully. For seniors, they can be the difference between constant pain and peaceful movement. First, Let's talk magnesium. Nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds and almonds, are loaded with this vital mineral. Magnesium helps muscles relax after contraction. Without it, your muscles remain tense, overworked, and prone to spasms. The problem? Aging reduces your body's ability to absorb magnesium. Medications can drain it even faster. Next comes potassium, the same mineral we saw in bananas, also found in generous amounts in pistachios, almonds, and sunflower seeds. Potassium ensures smooth contractions and helps prevent the misfires that lead to sharp, sudden cramping. But that's just the beginning. Many seniors suffer from poor circulation, especially at night. When your blood flow slows down, oxygen struggles to reach your muscles. That's a major cause of cramps. Nuts and seeds are rich in healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, which help open up blood vessels and improve circulation. Better blood flow means your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay relaxed and healthy. And here's something most people overlook: inflammation. Chronic, low-grade inflammation causes muscles to become overly sensitive and prone to cramping. Walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are anti-inflammatory powerhouses. They calm your muscles from the inside out. Let me share a quick story. Clara, a 73-year-old grandmother from Ohio, was waking up 4 to 5 times a week with leg cramps. She started adding a small handful of pumpkin seeds and walnuts to her evening yogurt. Within 2 weeks, she said the cramps went from daily to maybe once a week and were far less intense. Another key nutrient? Zinc. Often forgotten, but absolutely essential for muscle repair. Every movement you make causes micro tears in muscle fibers. If your body lacks zinc, it can't fix those tears quickly. That's when soreness lingers and cramps set in. Cashews and sesame seeds are excellent sources of zinc, helping your muscles recover faster and more effectively. The best part? You don't need a complicated meal plan. A small handful, just 1 to 2 ounces of mixed nuts and seeds a day is all it takes. Add them to a smoothie, sprinkle them on oatmeal, or just enjoy them as an evening snack. Here's a quick cheat sheet. Pumpkin seeds, top source of magnesium. Almonds, rich in potassium and circulation-boosting fats. Pistachios, packed with B vitamins for nerve-muscle coordination. Walnuts, loaded with anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Flax and chia seeds, fiber-rich and support hydration. These aren't just foodstery tools. Tools that help you take back control of your body, your sleep, and your freedom. So now, you know the 3 natural solutions. Eggs, rebuild muscle and nerve strength. Bananas, prevent cramps with potassium and magnesium. Nuts and seeds, repair, relax, and restore your muscles. So here we are. You've made it to the end of this journey, and maybe for the first time, you truly understand what's behind those awful leg cramps, why they happen, and more importantly, how to stop them. This isn't just about pain. It's about your freedom. Your ability to sleep through the night without being jolted awake in agony. Your confidence to go on walks, climb stairs, or stand at the kitchen counter without fear of your legs suddenly giving out. And the best part? The solution has been in your hands all along. Eggs are not just breakfast food. They're muscle-repairing, nerve-protecting powerhouses stacked with the protein, vitamin D, and B12 your body desperately needs as it ages. Bananas are more than a quick snack. They're nature's electrolyte booster, rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals your muscles can't function without. Nuts and seeds? They're like tiny doctors, healing inflammation, boosting blood flow, relaxing tension, and helping your muscles recover after every move you make. This isn't hype. It's science. Real, proven, senior-focused nutrition that can make a difference in your life starting today. Let me ask you something from the heart. What if you made just one small change today, adding eggs to your breakfast, or swapping your evening cookie for a handful of walnuts? Could it mean one less painful night this week? Could it be the start of stronger legs, deeper sleep, and a life with fewer limitations? At Forever Health 247, our mission is to bring you simple, powerful truth tools you can use at home without waiting for prescriptions or appointments. Because your health belongs to you. Now I want to hear from you. Have leg cramps stolen your sleep or your peace of mind? Which of these foods have you tried and what helped most? Drop your experience in the comments. Your story could help someone else feel less alone. If you found this video helpful, please tap that like button. It helps this message reach more people just like you. And don't forget to subscribe to Forever Health 247 and turn on notifications so you never miss another tip that could change your health and your life. Your body is your greatest companion. Fuel it well, and it will carry you stronger, steadier, and freer than you've felt in years. I sincerely wish you who have supported this video to always be healthy. Just 1 or 2 sentences in this video help your life. I feel satisfied. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next videos. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to walking easier, standing taller, and feeling better every day.